Sons and Daughters of God, Daily Devotional by Ellen G. White. September, we are laborers together with God. Privilege of working with God, September 1st. Everyone required to be a co-laborer with God. For we are laborers together with God. Ye are God's husbandry. Ye are God's building. 1 Corinthians chapter 3, verse 9. If you could realize that the God of heaven takes those who have been rebels against his government and says to them, Ye may be laborers together with me, you would this day consecrate yourself wholly to him. Is it not wonderful that we can receive the rich currents of grace from the Deity and work in harmony with him? What does the Deity want with us, poor, weak, and feeble as we are? What can he do with us? Everything, if we are willing to surrender all. When God called me in my very childhood to work for him, I used to think, what can I do? God says, do my bidding. This is all that any of us need to do. I want to tell you what each of you, from the oldest to the youngest, can do. You can cooperate with God and with one another. You will not study how to please yourself. You will realize that you are responsible for the influence you exert. We are laborers together with God. Ye are God's husbandry. Think of it. He is seeking to work the mind just as you work the land. He is trying to sow seeds that will bear fruit to his glory. Ye are God's building, but he does not build without any care for you. If we surrender our lives to him in service, we can never be placed in a position for which God has not made provision. Jesus has opened up all the divine fullness of his inexpressible love, and he declares to you, you are co-laborers together with God. This is your daily devotion. We thank you for listening. We hope you can join us again tomorrow. Please also check the YouTube comments for any further study notes. Sons and Daughters of God.